Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your DNA with 23andMe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the 23andMe website. Create an account if you haven't already. Choose the appropriate DNA test kit for your needs. Once you've made your selection, place your order. When your kit arrives, carefully open the box. Inside, you will find a tube for your saliva sample. Follow the instructions provided to collect your saliva. Ensure you fill the tube to the indicated line. Once you've collected the sample, seal the tube securely. Place the tube in the prepaid return envelope. Mail it back to the address provided. While you wait for your results, familiarize yourself with the 23andMe platform. Once your results are ready, log into your account. Navigate to the Reports section to access your genetic information. Explore the various insights offered, including ancestry and health reports. To protect your DNA data, review the privacy settings. Consider opting for enhanced privacy features. You can delete your DNA sample from 23andMe at any time if desired. Regularly check for updates on privacy policies. Engage with community forums to learn from other users' experiences. Utilize the resources available for understanding genetic health. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and protect your DNA data with 23andMe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.